Alright, so it's the first time walking in.
Yes.
After purchasing this property and completing just today. So as I just mentioned, we just walked in the property today, and what we're going to check now.
So the first thing we're going to check is the gas, electric, and also the water.
So the first one to check, which is closer to ours, is the electric.
So as you can see here, there's a minus of £11.10.
There's a reading of a minus £11. The previous owner, just in case there's any debt, you don't want to be chased up for the wrong reasons, basically.
This is one important tip, guys, is to just record your meter readings, because some energy companies actually want most of these screen numbers. So it's so much easier to just record while you go through.
Oh wow. I just noticed there's a window there actually in this little closet thing here in the entrance. Maybe we can do something with that. Liz, what do you think about opening it up? So Lizelle was previously saying when we'd done a viewing on this property, we should keep that closet there. It's quite useful. I don't think we should. I think space is premium these days, and I think knocking it out would be a great idea. What do you guys think? Maybe you can write in the comments what you think we should do. And now we're just going to check the gas meter.
Yeah.
I believe there's a key for that.
Probably this key we need.
Okay.
We need the other keys.
Go on, here you go.
Got there in the end.
Yeah, cool. There'll be different locations for gas meters. It could be inside the property, but this one's outside. Has a little universal key as well. Okay.
I need someone to
Wait, let me hold it. Yeah, I'll hold it. Don't worry.
Just leave it.
Oh, God. And yeah, expect the worst when you're opening things in houses.
When you get to the gas meter, do the same thing we did with the electric and get all the information from all the screens.
The point is, just make sure you get the meter reading number. So now we check the electric and the gas meters. We bought this house to renovate, and we wanted to get your opinion on this renovation to see what you guys think we should do to this house. All right, let's go to the front room.
Oh, wait. One more thing we need to check also is that we changed the locks.
You basically got to change these locks. Obviously, previous owner had their keys. You don't know how many keys were cut, and it's just basic security. Now can we move on to the front room?
Yep. Okay, so the first thing you notice when you enter is obviously this fireplace here.
All right,
It looks fairly new to be fair, but we've got the PVC windows, which is really good actually. I don't think this is something we need to change at all, to be honest with you.
They're quite decent
I
condition.
guess the design is a bit old-fashioned, but...
I was thinking the same thing. What do you guys think? Change the windows? But trust me, it's really not cost effective to change the windows. It's going to cost thousands of pounds, especially for that bay window.
Got a radiator near the window, which is great.
Oh look, there's a random plug point there.
Which is at a decent height as well.
Yeah, that's actually the regulated height.
That's good. We've got wallpaper all across the walls.
Yeah, wallpaper everywhere. Gonna love taking that off.
Yeah, that's wallpaper as well.
What we weren't sure about, this is also a viewing property. Let me put it to wide angle lens. Me and Lizelle were thinking, knock that wall out or don't knock the wall out. So should we go open plan or not go open plan? What do you guys think as viewers? Like, do you think we should take it out, or would you like to see it as a separate room? Yeah.
Because I know some people like it to be more cozy.
I want to knock it through. And what do you want to do?
Yeah, I think knocking it through will make it a bit more.
Oh, so you both agree. Let's see what you guys think though, yeah? It's quite a few sockets here actually. Quite a few sockets, go on. And this is the kitchen. It's a bit dark in here.
It's fairly big, I feel.
Yeah, it's decent
There's
space.
quite a lot to this.
So obviously this is the other side of that wall, so if you guys want to make a decision on what you guys think we should do, whether we should knock it out, keep it there. What about the kitchen? In one of our previous renovations, we actually restored the kitchen quite well, and we redid the worktop. I'm just wondering if we can do the same for this. And that's a heat-only boiler. This only supplies hot water for the radiators and doesn't actually supply hot water for the kitchen tap or the shower upstairs. I don't think that probably is electric as well. I think it is, yeah.
We also got a radiator on this side as well.
You've got to be looking also at radiator positions as well. Is it in a convenient location? So if you were to open plan the property, or if you wanted to put like I don't know, a kitchen island there or something, or a dining table, would it obscure that area? Would it be safe for that area? Check where the sockets are. So we might need to add a few sockets in the kitchen, I think.
Yeah.
And yeah. And even here, like, where would you put the cooker?
Yes, that is a big question. Where would we put the cooker? We're going to have to re-lay this whole kitchen.
Yeah, we'll have to think about this. And if you guys got any suggestions, that'll be kind of handy to know that before we start renovating. Let's go upstairs.
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
Oh, wait, forgetting something. There's a little something here. So obviously this is a little utility room area potentially, or a storage. Probably need to plumb it up and everything there, but it has got electric feed there. And opposite to that, next to the kitchen, there's a toilet. And you have to step down on these steps here, but there's a toilet, and that shows potential for the ground floor. Always adds a bit of value. Obviously it's outdated, so we definitely have to do work to that. Shall we take them upstairs, Lizelle?
Yep, let's
Cool,
go
lead the way.
upstairs. got a really lovely window here.
First thing is there's a massive window here. It's really, really big. I mean, you can't even see that. Can you open the curtain on that side? Yeah, that's almost 2 meters wide, actually. I'm not sure if you can see the camera. That's letting a lot of light in. Let's go with the box room.
We'll go to the box room first, yeah.
We'll start with the smallest room first. Once again, PVC windows. I'm not sure if you realise something by looking at this light position here, but it's right on the edge. There's a reason for that. So basically back in the day, you used to create a shadow and they didn't want the shadow of their clothes.
They wanted a shadow.
Oh, they wanted a shadow?
They wanted a shadow of someone changing so you can see their physique from outside, and then they're like peeking Tom, it's called.
Okay, yeah, something like that. But yeah, so the light positions need to be changed basically. But have you noticed something about the wiring in this house?
Downstairs, it seems like they did do all the rewiring, but when you come upstairs...
Look, if you see here, that socket is pretty low. The new standards are like 450 from the floor, so 450 millimeters. There's only one in here as well, which is not too bad, small room.
Go to the master bedroom.
Is another strange thing, but I'll come back to that actually. There's a wardrobe in this room. This is one of the biggest dilemmas we got. I like space. I really, really appreciate space. And we're thinking, should we remove that? Lizelle wants to keep it because obviously women have a lot of clothes and that's probably a big reason why. I think we should remove it. Yeah, I think we should remove it. It's in very good condition and there's loads of storage, even that little chest of drawers there, and it's all custom made. So it's all bespoke.
It's fairly deep, so it's taking a lot of the room up as well.
Yeah, it's taking up about 50 centimeters. If you look at that, it's 56 centimeters. So that room can gain a lot of space. Well, this room can gain a lot of space. Another big thing, let me just give you a little clue. Yeah, there's 2 radiators. One by the bay window here, and another one on that side of the room.
I don't think I've ever seen 2 radiators on either side.
Yeah, and also there's a light switch here. It's convenient, but I guess when the person was sleeping in a bed and maybe they were elderly, so you can control it. So Lizelle's controlling it from the main switch, and I'm controlling it from that switch there. Next bedroom. This room is pretty much covered. This is not the master bedroom, the other one was. This room actually has the old tank. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Okay, that's not opening. Anyway, there's a tank in there. I don't know why it's not opening now. Decent sized window. Oh, okay, she opened it. I'm sure you guys seen this before in old properties. Obviously it's fully operational and working and everything, but it's just old fashioned. You have to heat the water. You have to heat the water when you want to have a shower, and it's not like a combi boiler where it's on demand. Light switch has to move again. Good sized room actually. Pipes are revealed here. And to finish off with, you guys ready to see the bathroom?
Yes.
Bathroom's a little small, so we've got to be efficient with the space in here. Shit, what's that sound?
That's the extractor.
Oh crap. That's the extractor, it's quite noisy. Gonna have to change that, it's pretty old. Turn it off, man. As we suspect, there's an electric shower in here. It's got an old heating system and very, very dated tiles. And the tub is actually quite a unique size. It's like curved.
Yeah, just not.
Yeah, and it's maximising the space, I guess, here. No silicone seal, so the water must be coming through if you have a shower. And there's carpet. Obviously, that's not a recent thing. People put carpet back in the day.
We forgot to show you the garden.
So the garden is pretty decent size. Well, you can see from the video, and there's a lot of potential here. I mean, what would you guys do? There's a patio here already on the floor. Could restore them, could put new patio down.
So guys, that was a really quick video. This is the first time that we've been in the property since getting the keys.
Yeah. So the first time we've not had an estate agent walking around with us, and we got to properly see everything as it is. And once you assess all those things you want to do to the house, you've got to be very clear before you start the renovation. It really, really saves a lot of money and time. You never start a renovation without having a clear image of what you want to do. Yeah. So what should we do?
Let us know your thoughts on what you think we should do with this house. Open plan, get rid of these.
We're going to be starting this renovation pretty soon and showing you exactly what we're doing in this renovation, all the issues as they are.
So join us on our journey.
So all you got to do is subscribe and you'll get those notifications. Until the next video.